Welcome to the future of smart homes with the Echo Dot 5th generation. Imagine having the latest innovation from Amazon's line of smart speakers. A sleek design, improved speaker quality for a richer, fuller sound, and the simplicity of setup and use. It seamlessly fits into any home setup. The Echo Dot 5th generation is your ticket to a smarter, more connected home. The Echo Dot 5th generation is packed with features that make it a must-have for any modern home. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of these features. First off, the Echo Dot 5th generation boasts an improved audio quality. Your favorite tunes and podcasts never sounded this good, thanks to the enhanced speaker design that guarantees clear and crisp sound. Next, the device's voice recognition feature is top-notch. It can pick up your commands even from across the room, making your interaction with the device seamless and effortless. And let's not forget its compatibility with other smart devices. You can easily connect your Echo Dot with a range of smart home gadgets, turning your home into a smart hub at your command. But that's not all. The Echo Dot 5th generation can make calls, play music, set alarms, and control smart home devices, all through simple voice commands. It's like having a personal assistant that's always ready to help. Moreover, the device comes equipped with thousands of skills, including news updates, weather forecasts, trivia games, and so much more. It's not just a device, it's an experience. And if you're concerned about privacy, don't worry. The Echo Dot 5th generation has you covered. It comes with the ability to disconnect the microphones, ensuring your conversations stay private. With the Echo Dot 5th generation, convenience, entertainment, and peace of mind are just a voice command away. The Echo Dot 5th generation brings a whole new dimension to your home. This device is more than just a smart speaker. It's a sleek, compact design that packs a punch with improved audio quality. It has an enhanced voice recognition feature that allows for seamless interaction. But what sets it apart is its ability to control your smart home devices, making it an efficient and effective hub for your smart home. Plus, privacy is a priority, with multiple layers of privacy protection built in. Experience the future of smart homes with the Echo Dot 5th generation. Check out the link in the description to buy.